Praise be to Allah. Praise be to Allah for this victory for our President-elect Bola Tinubu. As I told before, Bola Ahmed Tinubu will win this election. The victory is for all Nigerians, both PDP, Labour Party, AFGA and others. We thank you for your contribution for this election. As I said earlier, Bola Ahmed Tinubu will win this election, and it happened. Everyone in this country now witness Bola Tinubu's victory, and those against the election should exercise patience. And concerning the Labour Party, PDP and others, as they say they didn't accept the results, yes, they will not agree, but Bola Tinubu is declared a winner. And the former concerning the former president Olusegun Obasanjo, he forgot what he has done during his time in 2007. The history will never forget that the general election in 2007 made by Obasanjo administration was rigged. Only 16 states announced by Morris Ibu. The President Obasanjo has no chance to talk about this election. The election of 2023 election is free and fair, and we congratulate Bola Tinubu for this victory. We proud ourselves. We help President Buhari. We support President Buhari. He wins 2 times, and now we help Bola Ahmed Tinubu and win this election. This is a good victory for our great party, and we hope this time Nigerians will be happy with this administration.
Duk wanda ya murna akan Bola Ahmed Tinubu ya ci zabe zan ji dadi saboda mun yi Buhari da kikkiawan niyya kuma gashi mun kawo Bola Ahmed Tinubu da kikkiawan niyya kuma insha Allah wannan karan kwalle za ta biya kudin sabulu. Jagaba ya karbi kasa masu fushi su ita fushi ko kuma yi wannan mun kashe bakin makiya an zuba zabe makaci ya bi su ta yi nasara mu duka dodar makai na gode.